Hi everyone, if today's video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel. This would help me out massively and it would help me reach my target of 1,000 subscribers as soon as possible. Thanks so much.
Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm in the back of the Mondeo Mk4 because I believe I have it on good authority that one of my brake lights or tail light or something ain't working. So offside rear, how we do it, remove this little cover, and then in there is our, let me get your torch. So basically here's our rear tail lights, it's everything, tail light, brake light, reverse light, indicators, all in the one. And how we get it out, I can just hold that there so you can see it. You'll be able to see me literally pinch that one. Coming out today. Yeah, we will be coming out, but when we're ready. Right, so this one on the bottom, and that one there. Squeeze the two together, and that should release. Should release us. Please release me. Let me go. Okay, let me have a good look at this and then we'll be right back. Two-handed job. Just like that, the miracle of modern technology has allowed us to remove the tail light unit. This is now free. Let me just try and hold that. I really need to get that tripod. And here we have our light unit. So top one's indicators, bottom one is stop and tail. So apparently it's our stop and tail light. I mean, it's difficult to tell, isn't it, really? You know, you've got two filaments inside the bulb, and yeah, it's in there somewhere. Yeah, oh, there we are. We can see it a bit better. Hopefully you guys can see this quite clearly, a bit better than me. But yeah, I think that one of the filaments is probably gone. What we could do is we'll put the side lights on, and then put the brake on as well. Put the brake lights on, and then I'm pretty sure that our brake lights won't be working. So we'll have a look now. So basically this is the way I like to test it. Ignition on, right hand indicator, yeah, that's fine. Hazards, yeah, fine. Radio off. And then we put our side lights on, nothing. So side lights on, nothing. Brake light is lighting up. Okay, so it's our rear tail light then. Yeah, tail light, nothing. Brake light lights up. Apologies for the annoying little bell there. Right, so there we are. That's what we need to change. We'll get that done. So we found that the previous bulb one of the filaments had gone. Basically the tail light filament had gone. The bright light filament was still working okay. However, we've got a new bulb here, and here it is in my jumper. They say don't touch the glass, so all you got to do is literally just push it. Nope, that won't do. Hang on. Yep, don't throw it at it. Push it in, turn to the right. Yep, just push it in, turn to the right. Side lights. Bright light, side, bright light, side. Indicator, yeah, all good. Side lights off. Okay, and that's it. Fixed. So it's literally just a matter of pushing this home now. What you tend to find is these little annoying little jobs. A lot of companies out there, like car spares companies, are charging you a small fortune now. So it's worth knowing how to do it. I really do need the tripod here. I'm struggling here just with this thing. Just give me a mo. I'm trying to hold the torch and the phone. There you go. That's now pushed home. Yep, it's not moving anywhere. And then, literally, all we've got to do, put our little cover back on, and we are ready to rock and roll. And that's it. So just a short one today. A little bit longer than expected, but you know, these things happen. Yeah, this is Glenn from the GJ Diary, just checking out. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you find this video useful, and if you do, please check out all my other videos. Hope they help you as well, and if you're not a subscriber already, please consider subscribing. That would help me out massively, and like and share and comment. Cool. Catch you soon. Take care, everybody. Bye bye.